Hello, hello. This is a quick video on how to make a folder for your PDFs that you would like to print. So every computer or laptop is different. Down here, I have this yellow folder. It's called File Explorer. On some computers, it's down in the left-hand side. You click it, oops, and it's there. But for here, it's on this one, it's there. So then on here, the left-hand side, I'm going to click Documents. So as you see here, I really don't have a whole lot. I am going to make a new folder. So again, up here, I have new. Now some don't, some of it have elsewhere, but if you hit new and then folder, and I'm not sure, you could also right click and come down to new and do it that way. So I have my new folder. I'm going to right click on it, and is it giving? You're going to click on properties, or again, depending on your system, it may say rename. So instead of that, I'm going to do let's do lessons. And there you go. You now have your folder.